And one of the victims injured in the incident says he's facing potential long-term disability. The man is a U.S. citizen. In a statement to the media, Jeremy Watson, who was a bystander, revealed he sustained injuries from a stray bullet which entered via his elbow and exited through his upper arm. Mr. Watson is among 3 men being treated at hospital for bullet wounds in relation to the incident. His relatives say he will be transported to the United States to undergo urgent surgical treatment.
He has to fly out first thing in the morning to actually go and do surgery back in his home country, which is the United States. He is traumatized, shaken up. He comes every year during this period, during the Carnival, to actually, this is his season, you know, and he normally carries his friends and family members. So he's distraught, heartbroken. Words can't describe it. He lost a lot of blood, passed out several times on the way to the hospital.
The relative further complained that the inadequate emergency response also compounded the situation.
The ambulance that they had on the scene as well, it wasn't properly equipped to even stop the bleeding. We had to use like a belt from one of our pants. It's just a lot. It's just a lot, you know. And we just want to thank everyone who has been reaching out thus far. But regards to this surgery, he has a lot of nerve damage.